Navratri is not just a festival, it is the grand celebration of divine energy, the worship of Shakti that sustains the universe. During these 9 nights, the cosmic presence of the goddess flows across creation, blessing every devotee with her grace. Each of the 9 days honors a unique form of the Mother, guiding us through purity, devotion, wisdom, courage, compassion, and spiritual strength. From the first step to the 9th, Navratri is a journey of awakening.
The first form of Devi, Shalputri, daughter of the Himalayas, embodiment of Mother Nature and purity. She rides Nandi, the sacred bull, holding a trident in one hand and a lotus in the other. Shalputri represents devotion, discipline, and the root of all spiritual energy. Navratri begins with her, guiding devotees on the path of righteousness. Her presence strengthens faith, endurance, and inner strength in every heart. Shalputri, the mother of strength, marks the first step in connecting with the divine feminine energy.
The second form of Devi, Brahmacharini, symbol of devotion, penance, and spiritual endurance. She walks barefoot, holding a rosary in her right hand and a water kamandalu in her left. She radiates calm energy, purifying the hearts of all who meditate on her. Brahmacharini guides us on the path of devotion, the second step in the journey of Navratri. The third form of Devi, Chandraghanta, bringer of courage, valor, and divine power, rides a tiger, and holds weapons in her many hands. Chandraghanta destroys fear and negativity, inspiring strength in her devotees. Her presence encourages facing challenges with confidence and faith. The aura around her shines like 1,000 suns, dispelling darkness and evil. Chandraghanta guides the third step of Navratri, courage, power, and protection.
The fourth form of Devi, Kushmanda, creator of the universe and the cosmic light. She has 8 hands, holding a rosary, weapons, lotus, and kamandalu, radiating divine energy. Kushmanda is the source of life, the creator of solar energy that sustains the cosmos. Her devotees gain health, vitality, and strength as she fills their lives with light. Kushmanda guides the fourth step of Navratri, creation, energy, and cosmic power.
The fifth form of Devi, Skandmata, mother of Skanda, the war god, embodiment of maternal love and strength. She rides a lion, holding her infant son Skandaya in her lap. Skandmata represents the power of motherhood, nurturing courage and devotion in her devotees. Her blessings bring wisdom, prosperity, and protection from all dangers. Skandmata guides the 5th day of Navratri, maternal love, courage, and nurturing strength. The 6th form of Devi, Katyayani, born from the anger of gods to destroy the demon Mahishasur. She rides a lion, her 4 hands holding a sword, lotus, and showing gestures of blessing and courage. Katyayani embodies fierce strength, righteousness, and protection from evil. Devotees worship her to overcome fear, obstacles, and to gain courage. Her radiant form shines with divine power, inspiring warriors and seekers alike. Katyayani guides the 6th day of Navratri, fierce protection and righteous power. The 7th form of Devi, Kalaratri, the fiercest form of the mother goddess, destroyer of darkness and demons. She has a dark complexion, disheveled hair, 3 eyes glowing like fire, and rides a donkey. Her 4 hands carry a sword and deadly iron hook, while one hand blesses and another protects. Kalaratri removes fear, protects devotees from black magic and evil spirits. Though terrifying in appearance, she is compassionate to her devotees. Kalaratri guides the 7th day of Navratri, fearlessness, destruction of evil, and ultimate protection. The 8th form of Devi, Mahagauri, radiant like the moon, embodiment of purity, peace, and serenity. She wears a pure white sari, seated gracefully on a white bull, with a calm and compassionate expression. Her 4 hands hold a trident and a damaru, while 2 are in blessing and protection mudras. Mahagauri blesses her devotees with peace, harmony, and freedom from past sins. Her glow removes suffering and fills hearts with purity and divine grace. Mahagauri guides the 8th day of Navratri, serenity, forgiveness, and spiritual purification. The 9th form of Devi, Siddhidatri, bestower of siddhis, supernatural powers, and divine wisdom. She is seated gracefully on a lotus, radiating divine energy, sometimes shown riding a lion. Her 4 hands hold a mace, discus, lotus, and conch, representing spiritual mastery. Siddhidatri grants wisdom, strength, and spiritual fulfillment to her devotees. She embodies the union of Shiva and Shakti, completing the cosmic balance. On the 9th day of Navratri, Siddhidatri blesses the world with perfection, harmony, and divine grace. As the 9 nights of Navratri complete, the 9 forms of the goddess unite into one eternal Shakti. From Shailputri's purity to Siddhidatri's perfection, each form guides us through devotion, strength, wisdom, and divine energy. All 9 are not separate, but reflections of the same Mother, the eternal source of the universe. Navratri may end, but the blessings of the goddess remain forever, guiding us towards light, truth, and liberation.